It's just after 4 in the morning now. We cannot justify having an excavator down for any time at all because it's hard keeping up with that wash plant.
Damien Brown's only excavator at Sulphur Creek is down with a broken bucket. He's driven 25 miles to Parker's Dominion laydown yard on the hunt for a replacement.
Because there's so many buckets around here, I'm not 100% sure which is the right one. I'm pretty sure this one is the same. Bloody really hope it is. We just really need to get this bucket back over the sulphur and get this hole back up and running. With the few people and the equipment that we have, it's getting stressful.
We're gonna end up having a shovel out down here. This pay pile's getting pretty small.
Yeah, 10-4. I'm getting kind of concerned.
Home sweet home. Hopefully this bucket is the right one for this coupler, because if it's not, yeah, it's a massive kick in the nuts. That had me worried there for a moment. Oh, yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah, boys.
It's time to get some gold back to Parker.
New bucket fitted to the 480. Damien avoids shutting down wash plant Bob and gets back to building up the pay pile.
It's awesome that Damien worked so hard to pull through and managed to come up with that bucket and get us going first thing in the morning like that. Now we're back to hauling pay.
Yeah, we finally got a bucket on this machine and we're building up the stockpile again, and the plant still has pay in front of it, so that's all that really matters.